Did you know that baking soda can unclog a shower drain? It easily dissolves blockages caused by various residues, especially when combined with white vinegar. This powerful solution removes clogs while also being a safe and environmentally friendly option. Here is how to unclog a shower drain using baking soda. Start by pouring a cup of baking soda down the drain. Next, add a cup of preheated white vinegar. Microwave for 1 minute. Leave it for several minutes. Then pour a liter of boiling water. Repeat the process if necessary. If dirt continues to clog the pipe, try using half a cup of baking soda, half a cup of salt, and a cup of boiling water. Leave it overnight and rinse with tap water the next morning. Remember, prevention is key to preventing clogs. You can rely on natural products like baking soda and white vinegar to keep your pipes in top condition. Once a month, pour the mixture down the shower drain, leave it for a few minutes and rinse with hot water. This simple action will help prevent clogs and prolong the life of your pipes. This mixture can clean various areas of the home, including the bathroom. As you can see, baking soda is a powerful ally in cleaning. If you found these bathroom cleaning and drain unclogging tips useful, please give the video a like and share it.